Oh my Lanta, wait till you guys see this house. I knew from the outside when I was looking at it that there was going to be something special on the inside because what they've done here, we've got a Dublin. Oh, hey, I'm Christina. I'm the mobile home mama. And don't forget our open house September the 4th. We'd love to see you. We'll feed you, show you some beautiful homes. And then this baby, it doesn't really have a name. It doesn't look familiar to me. So sometimes we'll have certain parks that will special order homes. And I think that's what this is. But I love what they did to the outside. This is a single, but wow. Look at that. I like how they outlined the window in that trim, and then with the color choices that they chose, they've blacked it out everywhere. You're gonna see that. It really just pops out beautifully. So there's some packages on here. We've got the drywall package for one, and then we've got an Aspire package number 1 and number 2. So they really went all out here. That's gonna add you a couple of exterior hitch lights on the end, and I just think that really dresses up a single wide. Something they didn't used to do years ago. So when you see that, hi, we're in Topeka, home of some of the largest Amish communities in Indiana. So if you get a chance, come see me. I'll put you in a nice hotel, feed you, and show you some really cool stuff. But look at the outside here. Usually I'm not a fan of black lineals with white windows, but the way that they chose these colors, it really looks pretty nice. Dublin is kind of like a hunter green. The black lineals, you can get those in white or black. There's no difference in charges. They all cost the same, but they kept the windows white. Blacked out the doors. There's the front door. This is a reverse aisle. We got both doors on the same side. I tried to fast track this for you guys, so I'm not taking up too much of your time. But when you can choose, especially when you do the black soffit, to do black J blocks is what these are called, and that's gonna be the housing that holds your recept and also your frost-free faucet. So make sure you do that. Probably could have left those white and they would have looked just fine. Anyways, these lights on the exterior, those are always black lanterns. We've been talking about these pier savers, and we got those underneath, and then also that's where the electrical panel is gonna be. We'll see that when we get on the inside. This looks to be, in my opinion, about a 16x76. And talk about modern, and let me tell you, you can change things just by the colors that you choose in your home. Anybody who has painted the inside of their home can know that. If you put the wrong color in a room, you could be depressed for years. So make sure that you choose wisely when you're choosing your colors. First thing you're gonna notice, we're gonna walk right into a wide open living room, and then we've got drywall on the walls. That's always a bonus. We've got some extra large windows on this side, so 46x61s, but I love what they did over here, huh? 3 30x61s right in a row. I think that just looks great and changes the whole dynamic of the living room. This is a large living room because it's only a 2-bedroom home. So when you take out a bedroom, we got to put the space somewhere in a 16x76. So there you go. Isn't this beautiful? And a large living room. So that's a really nice feature. They also added a coat closet up here in the corner. So I'm loving this design. You guys let me know what you think. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom, this may be the one for you. Definitely could have added a fireplace there. So you got a nice coat closet. I just wanted to jump in here, even though it's not something I currently offer. It could be down the road if you guys really like it. But there's some features in here that are really cool for a single wide. Added a patio door. So if you have any type of view, add the patio door, because think this through, you can put a beautiful deck out there. That's what I have at my house, and I go out on my deck every day. So something you could definitely utilize. Now, from a distance, unless you're standing right here, this looks like it could be a white cabinet, but it's not. It's our boho color, which is a very, very, very light gray. And then on the top, we haven't seen this countertop yet, even though it's been around. Not many people choose this. I want to say, I can't pronounce it. If I tried, I would sound like an idiot. So shoot me a DM. If you want to know the name of it, I'll type it out for you. Stainless steel appliances. Now we're going to see those everywhere. No more black. Love that they added a farm sink. Here's a little hint for you guys. We offer the farm sink in 2 different ways. You can get it with just the plain farm sink, which is what this is, or you can add all the accessories. It's called an Ultimate Kitchen 3 farm sink, and you want that because It comes with a grate at the bottom, and if you don't, your sink will get scratched all to pieces. I know that from experience, so make sure that you get that. I got it, but I thought, I don't need to have that in there because I didn't want to clean one other thing, and then I got my sink scratched up. So make sure you get the Ultimate Kitchen 3 sink if you're going to do that. Also, crescent edging. Try to get that in your kitchen if you can swing it, because it just really does make the difference in the look of your home and also takes the sharpness out of those corners. Rocco Bosca or Roca Bosco on the top, one or the other, I don't know exactly. I hear people say it different ways. Timberwolf hardwood on the cabinet. You can see there we've got, it looks like puzzle pieces. And Exhale Grease. I got to say it with while I'm rolling my arms because if you say grease, it sounds really bad. So roll your R when you say that. It's the tallest ceramic piece that we have. The other ones are like, I don't know, I want to say that tall compared to this tall ceramic. And I love how they did the full wall under these cabinets, and then over there under the hutch they did a full wall there. Also added in the stainless steel hood. That's a great feature. Here's the kicker. If you do that, make sure, just like this customer did, you take all the tile all the way up. French door refrigerators, yes, we do them. 24.7 cubic foot with the Whirlpool, ice and water in the door. Love that, love mine. In here, we've got the washer and dryer, and then that second door is right behind the utility door. With the hutch, look here, we took the cabinets to the ceiling. Yes, please. We've also got a piece of style trim at the top of that. A lot of people ask me what that is, and it's just a nice piece of real wood trim up there to make your cabinets look more like stick-built cabinets, and it does the trick. So, checking out this kitchen, we've got the largest island also. This is a 083 island, and it's not very many single wides. You can even fit this island in here. So yes, we love it. Got a water heater door. If you have access to the water heater, please put a door on it. You can keep the panel with the hex screws, but this is just a great place for you to be able to shove some brooms back there. That's what I do with mine. I also keep, some extra laundry soap and stuff that I'm not using at that moment, and it's just a great storage place. Here we go with the master bedroom. And you can tell right there we've got some hardware up on the wall. I'm twisting my words today. Happy Friday, everybody. And that's because we're gonna hang a barn door there. Very large closet, double up your racks if you want to in that master closet. And then here's something we don't see every day either. We've got double sinks in here, but they're squared. We do offer that. We offer the square sinks as well. With the drywall package, the mirrors would be hanging, they're not hung. They'll be hung when the home gets set and installed. All right, we've got what we call the Palisade shower. It's just a nice shroud. Instead of the fiberglass shroud, this is a faux type of ceramic, and people love this. But make sure, we offer it in 2 styles of doors. Make sure that you get the barn style hardware, because if you do that, I can't do it because it's taped, but you get a nice smooth transition when you're moving that door back and forth. This is a little pantry here, or a little linen closet actually is what it would be called in this particular home. And then very large bathroom, lots of elbow room here. Reminds me of the K-Born, but yeah, very large bathroom. Let's head to the other end of the home and see what we got. All right, heading to the other end of the world, we're gonna come up upon bath number 2. We've got the 019 over the commode. That's an option in that drywall package. There's no mirrors, so all you can see is my shadow today. Hi. And then finally, bedroom number 2. The drywall just makes all the difference, I believe. This would have had one standard window. Looks like they added a second one. And then here's your closet. Now, folks, this open house business, it's the one day of year where we slap the largest discount that you can get on a home, and you're gonna carry that discount with you until you're ready to build. So it's definitely worth a drive, definitely worth the visit, and definitely worth putting a deposit down on a home on that day. You'll get to see my smiling face along with my teams, the factory. Everybody's gonna be there. We hope to see you soon. As always, thanks for watching.